Good day to you all. I'm Rekia Hassan Bako. I'm a staff from Diabetic Herbal Medical Center. Well, like I always say, this is a center that makes its medicines from 100% organic herbs, and these medicines has gone like through series of tests by the National Agency for Food and Drug Administration and Control, NAFDAC, and NAFDAC has also given its approval and license to Diabetic Herbal Medical Center for its medicines to be sold or used anywhere and everywhere around the world. Our medicines are very, very effective, affordable, at the same time do not have harmful side effect. Also, whenever we are giving our medicines, we give our medicines for one with 100% guarantee for you to be cured, not to manage an illness, but for it to cure an illness. So that is that. Well, today I'm going to talk about cancer of the breast. This cancer of the breast is a disease in which the cells in the breast grows out of control, and symptoms of this cancer of the breast include new lump in the breast or underarm, that's your armpit, thickening or swelling of part of the breast. There is also irritating or dimpling of breast skin. There is also redness or flaky skin in the nipple area. These are some of the most common symptoms of breast cancer. How is this breast cancer diagnosed? Well, there is a breast ultrasound, there is diagnostic mammogram, there is breast MRI, there is also biopsy. These are the four ways in which this breast cancer is being diagnosed. Also, there are several causes of breast cancer, which include age, sex, smoking, alcohol, obesity, family history, and genetics. Also, there is radiation exposure. These are the main causes of this breast cancer. When I talk about age, well, age being 55 or older increase your risk for breast cancer. In that of sex, women are much more likely to develop breast cancer than men, although men too do suffer from breast cancer, but 80%, or let's sorry 75.5% goes to women. Women are much more likely to have breast cancer compared to men. Smoking, when I talk about smoking, the tobacco use has been linked to many different types of cancer, including breast cancer. So this smoking of tobacco is very, very like it causes breast cancer. Also, there is alcohol. Research indicates that drinking alcohol can increase your risk for certain type of breast cancer. Onto obesity. Well, when it comes to obesity, like having obesity can also increase your risk of breast cancer and breast cancer reoccurrence. That's if you're obese, maybe you've once suffered from breast cancer. When you are still that obese, there is every possibility for that same breast cancer to reoccur again. But one thing I'm going to tell you is that when you come to Diabetic Herbal Medical Center and you use our medicines, there is nothing like reoccurrence of this breast cancer. Also, you have to like watch your weight together with taking of our medicines once and for all. When I talk about family history, another cause of breast cancer, family history and genetics, if you have parents, siblings, children, or other close relatives which have been diagnosed with this breast cancer, you're more likely to develop this disease at some point in your life. Also, onto the last one which I said earlier, like which is radiation exposure. Well, hormone replacement therapy also causes breast cancer. When you talk about all these things, one thing I need you to know is that as a woman, try as much as possible to like go through the symptoms which I have mentioned earlier. When you notice any symptom of this or any of the symptoms which I have mentioned, try as much as possible to go for your diagnosis, like for you to like go for breast cancer, for it to be diagnosed, like go to the hospital for them to check if really it's a breast cancer or not. If it is a breast cancer, we at Diabetic Herbal Medical Center, we have medicines. When I say we have medicines, and we're giving out those medicines with 100% guarantee for you to be cured. So you just have to like be very cautious and try as much as possible to react to every changes or any changes you feel, not even in your breast alone, anywhere around your body. Also, what are the preventive measures? There's always a preventive measure. First of all, keep a healthy weight. You should keep a healthy weight, not too skinny or not too obese. Try as much as possible to keep a healthy weight. Secondly, be physically active. Try as much as possible to exercise. If not like every day in a week, maybe at least 4 days in a week. Try as much as possible to exercise. Do not over exercise, but just exercise moderately for you to be in like it makes one to be in a very good condition, and health wise it is very very good. Also, choose not to drink alcohol or drink alcohol in moderation. So like some people, when you are kind of like addicted to this taking of alcohol, maybe you sorry to use the word alcoholic. If you're this alcoholic, try as much as possible to reduce your intake of alcohol. You should take it in moderation. That's if you just can't stop it. But advisably, you should try as much as possible to stop it. Even when you want to take it, it should be once in a while. Also, if you are taking or have been told to take hormone replacement therapy or oral contraceptive, which is birth control pills, ask your doctor about the risk and find out if it is right for you. Whatsoever medicines, whatsoever contraceptive you are being placed on, or you are about to use, or you are using, try as much as possible to ask your doctor if that is the right one for you to use, and if there is any risk attached, just try as much as possible to get educated on it. Well, I'm going to stop here, but for more information, like always, you can contact us on the following number: 070 300 99277 or 080 6367 6662, or you can come to our head office, which is at number C21 Safia House along Zaria Road, and we are opposite this popular bridge called Garden Dengi, and beside this very popular supermarket called Jifatu Store. Thank you all for listening. Till we meet next time.